go through the photographs and choose.
Wow.
I had an extremely difficult time doing that.
Get away from my bird feeder.
They can't find anything to eat?
And all of his best friends' weddings, like, well, which one do you pick? Because you just are so sad that the pictures stop here. Family members all share the devastation.
Leave my shrubs alone.
The museum discovered that they are hardly
Get out of here.
Olympic block. It's the families of
Oh my God, they're eating that one.
probably 20,000 people, all of whom had their own perspectives, their own desires, their own ideas about what kind of museum should be here. It was absolutely every single tiny little thing.
They're gonna destroy my yard.
Once the beans come up and stuff, they'll maybe.
Of the perpetrators. And what about Osama bin Laden? Did they belong in the 9/11 museum?
Can't really be that hungry, can I?
They're not showing.
I've never seen them.
They're ruining our global.
This graveyard to some extent. How could you demean the memory of my loved one by showing the image of the person that murdered him?
But other family members took the opposite view.
That's the strangest looking bird I've ever seen.
Absolutely important to point fingers.
There's little tunnels of bees.
Yeah, it's very small. It looks like a fawn.
Child or adult or student to walk through this museum and not leave knowing who did this to us, which is why we're going to go ahead and show those images.
But the museum also wants
see
to
it?
know the stories of heroism and selflessness, the spirit of unity after the attacks. So there will be tributes here to recovery workers and volunteers. By the time this museum opens its doors next year, virtually no one under the age of 17 will have a first-hand memory of September 11th, 2001. For almost a quarter of the population, 9/11 will not
They're
be
wrecking
the
it. Should I scare them?
It'll be, well,
Oh my God, I bet you they are.
in a museum. We are worried about the children who don't remember.